how to clear cache on Twitter. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to clear cache on Twitter. So first is you have to make sure that your Twitter application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and just type in Twitter. Now, if you see an update button there, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Twitter account is actually updated. Now, if your application is updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So let's go back to the homepage and open the Twitter application. So if you click on your Twitter application, it will directly lead you here to your homepage. So basically, Twitter actually gathers a lot of data or information about your phone. Now, to be able to clear cache it, you may want to go back to your homepage and go to your settings. Now, under your settings, you have to go to your app store or your app list. Now, here on your app list, you scroll all the way down and just find the Twitter application. Now, here you will see the app information about Twitter. You can see the storage usage, the data usage, this details, the battery usage, so on and so forth, the permission, and the display over other apps. Now, to be able to clear cache your Twitter, go to your storage usage, and here under cache, you will see clear cache. Then you click on clear cache, and basically your Twitter will be your cache on Twitter will be cleared. So basically that is how you clear cache on Twitter. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.